Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to submit Roblox support ticket. So if you need any help from Roblox and if you want to submit the support ticket, it's actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in roblox.com/support, press enter. Now after that, you'll directly be led to the support interface of Roblox. From here, you'll be able to submit the support ticket. All you have to do is enter these information that you can see right over here on your screen. You can enter your username and first name. This is completely optional. Or you can also simply directly enter your email address. So click on the field of email address. Now enter the email address associated with your account over here. Now confirm the email address. Simply re-enter the email address over here. Now after doing that, what you have to do is provide the issue details. You'll be able to see the question over here. What device are you having the problem on? Simply click on the field of device type. Now select the device type over here. Likewise, select the help category. Click on the field help category type. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now you'll also have to select the subcategory. Click on the field of subcategory. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now describe your issue. You can include any relevant information like where the issue is occurring or the error message. So simply click on this field. Now describe your issue over here. For now, I've described my issue. Now after doing that, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Right now, my request is not being submitted because I recently submitted another request, but your request will be submitted. That means you've submitted the support ticket. So that is how you submit Roblox support ticket. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.